This dog just discovered gymnastics, and now he's completely obsessed. It all starts when he sees athletes flipping across the screen. At first, he's just watching, but then something clicks. Suddenly, he decides it's his turn to compete. Look at this guy. He's trying every move he can think of, and honestly, his confidence is way higher than his skill level. At this point, he's basically training for the Doggy Olympics. But then, things start getting a little out of control. One jump turns into another, and another, until he's bouncing around the room like a furry gymnast. No medals, no judges, just pure chaos. And somehow, he still thinks he nailed the routine.